Hey folks, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. Don't forget the ink. Hey, I made a video just a little while ago showing you how to assemble these pistons into the master cylinder. And of course, I need to show you the screen because we just too damn busy. Can't be installing this in every video and stuff. She's too damn busy. There's some contact information that you may find useful. So, I'm finishing up this 9171 master cylinder, this 70E body. You can see I've got the pistons in there. As you can see, those ports are wide open because, of course, what goes in there is your two brass tube seats. That's what seals up to your brake lines, to your double flare. And of course, master cylinders of this era, basically before 1979, most manufacturers had a very small residual pressure valve. Goes only in drum brake circuits. And what that thing does is, well, you can do a lot of research and you can waste a lot of time on it, but it did several things. And just like the building of cars, each year the knowledge has been built upon the previous winners, losers, disasters, failures, or pluses. They noticed a long time ago that sometimes, because the springs are so stout, that after you pressed your drum brakes and you let go, those springs would retract those shoes so fast on the wheel cylinders that sometimes they would suck air. Because those pistons are going back, it's blowing the fluid out, and so they noticed that. And so they wanted to keep this slightly higher than atmospheric pressure by just a couple pounds. The other thing that it does is it sort of loads that drum brake mechanism, tanks out sort of a little bit of slack so that it reacts a little bit faster. Anyway, so I put his little valve in. I need to install the seats. Drop him down in there. I'm going to tap him in with this little bitty 1/4-inch socket. So, going to drop that one in. Going to drop this one in. Installed. So yes, we do have new seats. We're probably the only ones in the world. Well, how do you get these sumbitches out? Tell you what we learned a long time ago. You take you the appropriate size little deck screw, dirt cheap, get a whole bag of them for a couple dollars. Screw that thing down in there, about 1/4 of an inch or so, and take you some side cutters, and you just using a little leverage, poof, and they pop right out. That's all you gotta do. And yes, it really doesn't damage the hole, and yes, you can reuse them after you use the screw. You can put the sumbitches back in, and they'll be just fine. So, there's a little quickie. So here's his 9171 master cylinder. getting ready to go off for this TA, this NOS unit that I have. It's obvious that that's never been mounted before. And of course he's sleeved and has all new pistons in him. And of course you can look. This lid has never been on a car. Just like the day he was stamped. It's got the correct inscription on there. And of course we have an NOS lid. So, gasket. So, there you go. Brand new NOS bell wire. Voila! One of the finest examples in the world. Going off to a deserving client. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Mopar.